Hello, Mnova fans, and everyone who just wants to learn a little about Mnova, or as we like to think of you, our future fans. My name is Marcel Lockenman. I'm an application scientist at MesterLab, and I'm going to give you a quick Mnova tip. You probably already know that Mnova has a powerful intuitive interface, so it's easy to access functions with a minimum of clicks. But sometimes, just moving your mouse up to the ribbon for 1 or 2 clicks can seem like a lot. So, Mnova provides keyboard shortcuts to make spectral manipulation even easier. For example, if you want to look at a particular region of the spectrum, just hit Z to zoom in. If you want to look at a slightly different region, you can hit P and drag over to get to that new region of interest. Peak's too low? Just hit H to scale to the largest visible peak. Want to add some text annotations? T is your friend. Maybe you knew about these basic shortcuts, but there are lots more. My big tip is that you don't have to wade through a manual to learn them. Just go to View, click on Shortcuts, and you get a table of all of the shortcuts that Mnova has to offer. And if you want this information to stick around, you can even dock it so that it's there whenever you need it. That's my tip for you today. Watch the space for more quick tips from our Mnova team.